With Viper Trading Systems. This is going to be a short video for installing the new OTBoss3. And OTBoss3 is actually going out on May 11th, 2023. So this is the latest scripts as of this recording. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do, you've got the old Viper scripts on, you'll need to remove some. Now, if you don't have Viper on yet and you're just watching this video to install, then don't pay attention to what I'm about to say. But people that do have the scripts on, what you need to do is you need to go to Tools on your Ninja Control Center. So pull up your Ninja Control Center. Okay, bear with me a second. I'll get rid of that little deal behind there. You're going to want to pull up your Ninja Control Center, go to Tools, Remove Ninja Script. Okay, that is Tools, Remove Ninja Script. Now you're going to want to remove all of the old Viper scripts. Now you notice that the first of this video I said that the newest script is OTBoss3. Well, I've got the OTBoss2 on this particular computer, so I need to remove it. But notice that these other scripts right here are also part of Viper. So to remove these, you need to simply left click, it highlights it, left click, it highlights it, and left click, it highlights. So you must remove the xseed wpf.toolkit, the old scripts, OTBoss2, and also the object power trader controls. Okay, simply click remove, click yes, and once that's done, you're ready to install the new scripts. Now, the new scripts as of this moment are not on the website, but let me go to the website anyway, and I'll show you where they're going to be. You'll simply go to your login on Viper Trading Systems, and I'm already on mine, so I'm just going to click it. All right, and let me go back one step so you can see that you're actually, when you go into your login, you're going to be with these 5 little basically windows here, and the one download latest scripts is right here, and you'll simply click it and click download latest object trader scripts. Now you'll notice that right this very moment on the website is OTBoss2. Well, very shortly, within the next hour, I will have OTBoss3 on here, and you'll just simply click on it to download it. Once you downloaded it, it'll be in your download folder. Just simply pull it to your desktop or just leave it in the download folder, either way. So once it's in your download folder, you just simply click it and it'll be in your download folder, but make sure it says OTBoss3. All right, then you just simply go to Tools, Import Ninja Script. See, Tools, Import Ninja Script. I'll do it again. Tools, Import Ninja Script Add-on. Okay. Once you do that, it's going to go to your download folder, and you'll notice that my download folder here, I've already put it on my desktop. So if you've got it on your desktop instead, you just simply go up to your desktop instead, click over here, and you'll see OTBoss3 is right there. And this is 5/11/2023 OTBoss3. So I just simply double click it, and I'm going to install that into NinjaTrader. And that's done. Now all I have to do is simply restart my NinjaTrader, and it's installed and ready to go. Now, if you need help installing any of the other stuff, we do have some scripts on the website, such as the HZ lines, the Viper fibs, and the add-on toolbar. There are instructions on another video on that, and I'll be more than happy to help with that. Anybody needs any help at all, be sure to go to our home page on our website. Simply go to home page, and you'll just simply go to contact. All right, if you need to get in touch with me for any reason at all, just contact. It goes to the page that'll tell you the phone number and everything. And if you need TeamViewer, just go right here to this little link and download TeamViewer so I can help you. Okay, that should do it for this video. This is going to be basically just for people that already have the Viper scripts and how to remove the old and put the new one on. Simply restart NinjaTrader and off you go. All right, thanks everyone. Have a good one.